Instead of the usual steady stream of leaks we've seen with past DJI products, the DJI Avata 3 has gone unusually quiet. Well, not anymore. Mauro Tendoi recently dropped some new info, and according to the leak, this could actually land sometime next year. And that silence might not mean delays. It could mean DJI is rethinking what the next Avata actually is. The report suggests that DJI is actively working on the Avata 3, but it may not be a normal upgrade over the DJI Avata 2. Instead of just improving things like camera quality or battery life, DJI could be shifting the entire direction of the product. There's even a strong hint that it might be influenced by or built around the concept of the upcoming DJI Avata 360, which focuses on immersive 360-degree capture. If that turns out to be true, this would be a pretty big shift. The Avata lineup has always been about accessible FPV flying, something that sits between cinematic drones and full manual FPV rigs. But now, DJI might be experimenting with bringing some of that 360 tech into the main Avata lineup. The DJI Avata 360 already handles both FPV flying and immersive capture, so it really comes down to whether the Avata 3 follows that same path or sticks to a more traditional FPV experience. Personally, I'm not fully sold on that idea. The DJI Avata 360 already exists for that kind of immersive capture, and honestly, that should be enough. They shouldn't completely abandon what makes the Avata lineup what it is. Keeping that core Avata DNA intact just makes more sense. But at the end of the day, these are still leaks, so nothing is confirmed until we see something concrete. What this does explain, though, is DJI's current strategy. Instead of following the usual upgrade cycle, they seem to be expanding into a new category first, and then refining the core lineup later. And what makes this even more interesting is that earlier Avata 3 leaks still hold up. Things like a larger camera module, a possible 1-inch sensor, a redesigned body, better transmission, and even 4-blade propellers all suggest meaningful hardware upgrades are still coming. But now those upgrades might be paired with a more experimental direction, potentially blending traditional FPV capabilities with newer capture formats. The bigger picture here is that DJI doesn't just seem to be building a better Avata, it might be redefining what the Avata lineup stands for. And if that's the case, the Avata 3 could end up being less of a straightforward successor and more of a transition device between two different styles of aerial content creation. With that said, we end our video. Thanks for watching. Peace.